Hello everybody, this is Nate over at Bullion RV in Duluth, Minnesota. It's cold out today, it's 24 degrees, but we got a video for you today in a nice heated shop on a brand new 26 Grand Design Transcend 27DBX, and this is rapidly becoming a very popular floor plan for us, so information is going to pop up at the beginning of the video, so feel free to pause and get a little bit more information. We're going to take you around the outside and get you on the inside. We'll see what you think. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Excuse me. So again, Transcend 27DBX, standard from just about every single video that we do. Power tongue jack lights, two 20-pound propane tanks, and a spot for the battery in the back. Battery is installed and propane is filled for free at the time of purchase. Coming around the side, unobstructed pass-through storage, and if you saw that, I just put my hand right here and you had that auto light kick off, but you have a detachable table underneath there, so if you want to use that while you're cooking outside to seat some more guests, you can definitely do that. But tons of storage, GFCI outlets, your battery disconnect, solar disconnect, winterizing, fresh tank, cable hookups, everything you need, one convenient location. Down below we'll have our manual jacks. And then I'm going to take a step back and hopefully not run into anything. So this just has the one slide, so we're getting a look at the side of that there. Moving on down, this is a double axle. Hot water heater, 30 amp service is going to be off to the right here as well. Another large storage compartment, which is actually nice to have on here. So if you want collapsible chairs or, blankets, first aid kits, whatever it might be, that's actually really useful, because if you've seen some other travel trailer videos and you see an additional storage space, it's actually pretty darn small. You might even think to yourself, what can I do with that? But this eliminates that. So this is super cool. Getting a look at the back. So spare tire, obviously you see it. Make sure you smack it when you see it. When you purchase this unit, windows up above the bunks there, so kids sleeping, they can have a good view. Lippert ladder attachment, so you can get up on your roof, clean off any debris, clean off the slide. Off to the right of that, this unit is prepped for a backup camera to make parking this a lot easier. We'll get another look at the other side here, so you'll have your double door, and what's funny is that light off to the right just automatically turned on even at this distance. That's pretty crazy. As you can see, you have your outdoor grill, your little beer fridge here. This unit just got cleaned, so it would rain on me if I pulled out the awning, but you have a large full power awning, LED light strip down below, and a lot of people like the double door here, so if kids are outside playing or if you got to hose off the dog, you could go right into the bathroom, use it there, use the shower, hose off the dog, hose off your feet, so you're not tracking any debris into the front of the unit. So furnace is on this side along with your TV hookups, as we can see there. You have a nice JBL sound system that comes with the unit. Heated enclosed underbelly, leash latch for the pets, and that's capable of 1,500 pounds, so the pets aren't going anywhere. Off to the right here, you can see the 1, the 3, the 5-year best towable limited warranty, all transferable, by the way, and we'll hover over some of that information, so feel free to pause and get a little bit more of that information. Moving off to the right, looking at the reverse side of that pass-through storage, another view of that table here. But let's jump on into the inside. Solid steps, nice grab handle. And then coming on in, so this just feels like home when you walk in. It feels a lot bigger, so you have that slide that's all the way out. I'm gonna start all the way off at the bunks back here. So these are your double over double bunks. Power outlets down below. So we got some storage there, and some storage here for the kids. And then opening this up, so obviously this is that door that goes all the way out. We're gonna open these up. Plenty of room for DVDs if anybody still watches those, or some more knickknacks, some more storage, but this is where your TV is going to be, or some additional storage here as well. You got some more device charging outlets there, some GFCI outlets, and then this is where that TV is going to go. What's really nice in this unit is you actually have that electric fireplace as a source of heat as well. So if I wanted to kick back and relax in my power recliners, tilt my TV out this way, tilt it down, and just relax, kick on the fireplace, I got endless options for relaxation. A lot of natural light coming through the windows behind me. Perfect for when you park this by the lake. We'll get a look at the fridge and freezer. As you can see, plenty of storage for your pizzas, your pizza rolls, whatever it might be. Moving on over to the left, a lot of counter space for your kitchen. We'll take a look at the microwave. Pretty standard microwave. 3-burner gas cooktop. Illuminated oven knobs. Going through the kitchen storage. Little silverware drawer if you wanted to use it like that. Oops. Blasting somebody's ears out that's listening to this video. And then what I really like that Grand Design's always done is they always do the pull-out trash can for you too. Plenty of storage, little spice rack holder there. But again, a lot of kitchen counter space. U-shaped dinette that converts down into a bed. There's another GFCI outlet behind. Plenty of storage down below the dinette. And then you got some more counter storage here too. Smaller space, GFCI outlet here, but you'll always find a use for this space. These could be junk drawers if you wanted to use them as such. More storage there. And I reference the pets a lot because these also have the hidden pet dishes, which is super nice, so you'll never forget, because your Transcend 27DBX will always have the hidden pet dish. Moving on into the bedroom. So double door bedroom, super nice, so you don't have to roll over and crush your partner. That was not a fat joke, so don't take it as such. So you don't have to crush your partner or roll over anybody. Standard queen size bed here. Plenty of device charging outlets in the back and a lot of space back here for, you know, if you have a CPAP machine or if you are charging your laptop, iPads, things like that. Plenty of storage up above, plenty of storage on the inside, which my cameraman's looking at the opposite side there. And that's going to be like that on this side here too. But off to the left of that wardrobe, slightly up above on the wall there, you'll have the TV backer location, so you can outfit the bedroom with a TV. So smaller bedroom, functional. But one thing I didn't go over on the outside here is your JBL sound system control is going to be over here. And then your control board for everything as well. So one final overview. Again, this is a super popular floor plan. It's doing very well for us here at Bullion RV, so I wanted to get this video out right away for everybody. My name's Nate, again with Bullion RV. All of my information is going to be in the description box down below, so feel free to call me, email me, text me. I'm happy to help answer any questions. But once again, let me know what you think down in the comments down below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one.